Okay, we're going to go through the first lesson of this new series, the LLM Lab videos. And recently I got this really awesome Mac Studio with a bunch of RAM and got into local model stuff. So made some Jupyter notebooks and I'm going to walk through some of them. The goal is to just learn about local models and what we can do. And yeah, so this top level Jupyter notebooks. We'll just go to section 1, 3 parts. And okay, so we're going to compare a bunch of different models. We're doing 4 models today. We can do up to 10. Just going to scan a bunch of ports. So you see we got 122B, mixture of experts, 35B, mixture of experts, and then 9B and 2B dense. They're all the MBFP4, which is, I don't know, supposedly better. So hopefully I'll learn about that sometime in the video series. All right, so next, we already ran that. And then you can see here, this is the time it takes to warm them up. So you have to warm up the models. I guess I should add a little bit more information in this before I release it, but you can see, yeah, just some really weird results. I think the notebook itself is not the best logic, and so some of these models are already warmed up, and some of them, yeah. So, anyways, warming up should take like, I don't know, 30 seconds. I think it did before. Okay, we can keep on. Oh, there we go, 37 seconds. Yeah, so it kind of takes a while. Sometimes it just loads instantly. I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing there yet. All right, so let's see. First, prompts. So let's see, it's a four model comparison this time. And we can see them all generating. And I think this is super cool. We can compare them all. We got the time to first token, which is one of the measurements of model speed. And then we have the tokens per second. And so you can see as the model gets bigger, it produces less tokens per second, and it takes longer to to get that time to first token. And then you can kind of see like a comparison of the responses, which is kind of cool. I'll let you play around with that yourself, read through it. Okay, and then let's move on to measuring their performance. So here you can see they wrote a limerick, and what's been really interesting is the 2B model always writes this really creepy, like Black Mirror, emphasizing the jail. You know, I think it's just like UR plus violations equals jail. Um, yeah, I think it's creepy, but yeah, kind of a fun thing you realize when you run so many models. Yeah, and then here we have time to first token and number of tokens, and then the time it took. So again, kind of interesting. You can see the smaller models produce faster. Cool. Yeah, so now we'll go to memory topology and just how awesome the Macs are. We have all this unified memory, whereas normally you have to buy like a bunch of graphics cards to get as much virtual memory, but got 137 unified. I thought it was 128, but anyways, it's a lot. Cool. Now we go into a fun one, temperature, and you can see temperature 0.5. They produce these different descriptions in the style of ancient mythology, and then usually 0.7 is a common setting for the temperature. I'm not quite sure why, but hopefully I'll find out someday. Yeah, you can just kind of play around and see. And then if you set it to 1.5, which I think is the max, you can see produces some really crazy characters. Oh, okay, so 35B almost produced something that makes sense. Yeah, just like a lot of weird characters. Oh yeah, no. Okay, so 9B is the one that got carried away. That's a fun little experiment. Yeah, I think that the smaller they are, perhaps the more they produce and get out of hand. I don't know. But yeah, within the now system prompts. So we're going to say, yeah, Pirate understands machine learning. That's kind of cool. Yeah, again, we have our time to first token, and then tokens per second. Yeah, you can just kind of click through and read the responses, and then also we could change the temperature as well if we wanted to make it more creative or more factual. Whatever. Let's see what they do on 0, which is just greedy decoding. I think it's deterministic every time. And yeah, so kind of interesting to see the different effects for the different models. And you can see that my computer is kind of lagging because